Sometimes, what looks like a disaster in your life is part of a much better plan. But you will never fulfill your destiny if you are having a pity party. You could have just said, if only I was like someone else. A lot of people do that. They live their lives in resentment, always looking at people and saying, well, it must be nice to be them. If you have that attitude, you will never fulfill your destiny. You have to realize that the unpleasant obstacles in your life are often God ordained opportunities to make a difference. You might be in a situation right now where everything is going wrong and you can figure it out. But God knows nothing in your life is accidental. The pleasure and pains, the opportunities and obstacles, God can use it all. There is nothing God cannot use for good in your life if you'll hand it over to Him and then trust Him. Thank you for watching and God bless.